The Tri-Vault Louver is the core of our pergola systems. This isn't just a shading solution. It's a leap forward in outdoor engineering, designed to transform how you use and enjoy your space. The Tri-Vault Louver features dual walls, a design that delivers unmatched strength and resistance to bending. This means it can handle wind, debris, and years of wear without compromising its form. It's built to last. Inside, we've incorporated 3 air chambers. These are engineered to insulate, reducing heat transfer and keeping the space below cooler, even in intense sunlight. It's comfort backed by science. Next, weather protection. Each louver has a positive weather seal along its edge. When closed, this seal interlocks the louvers, forming a shield that channels rain into a built-in gutter system. Your space stays dry and usable, rain or shine. On the opposite end, we've added a positive angle, a unique tilt that lets you open the louvers after a storm without water dripping through, even if some remains on top. It's a small detail with a big impact. The convex top of the louver is another key feature. Its curved shape directs water smoothly to the gutters, preventing pooling and preserving the structure over time. It's functional and refined. And when closed, the louver's flat bottom forms a sleek, ceiling-like structure underneath. We've added an aesthetic groove for a tongue-and-groove look, turning a practical element into a design statement. At the Luxury Pergola, we're not just creating pergolas, we're engineering experiences. The Tri-Vault Louver embodies that vision, combining advanced technology with elegant design. From its dual walls to its weather-smart features, every detail serves a purpose, delivering reliability and beauty in equal measure.